Hi everybody. Guess what day it is? It is Friday. So excited. It's Friday. That means we have the weekend. So today is Friday, May 8th. Friday, May 8th. So today is May 8th. Our decision making is similar to the ones. What?
Where's my cereal?
Your cereal? It's all gone. You want some more? Sorry. So our decision making is similar to the ones that we have been doing. The situation. It is the end of the month and you need to complete the inventory for the shoe department. But it's late and you want to go home. So you work at a shoe department and it's the end of the month and you're supposed to create inventory or complete the inventory and you really just want to go home. So our solution number 1, go home and plan to finish the report tomorrow. Number 2, stay late and finish the inventory report. Number 3, ask your coworker to complete the inventory report for you. Okay, so our positives and our negatives are blank. I want you guys to come up with your own positive and negative situations for each of these scenarios. This is going to be a little bit more difficult, so please reach out to me or Miss S if you need help. Talk to your supervisor or parent and bounce ideas off of them and see what your choices would be. Okay? Have a great day and I will talk to you guys soon.